Hi guys, today we're gonna play with what are we gonna play? Big Paintball 2, yeah, W game. We're gonna play guys, Big Paintball 2. Yeah. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification button. So if you guys played this before, yeah, I always play this yesterday. First, how to win the game. Use this machine and just do everything you want. Oh no, what the hell? You need to get a drone and one of the auto machine. What the hell? Wait, I really want to sniper, but don't want to. I want, but no, I can. It's hard. Oh no, what the hell? There, bomba clock. And it's dead. Sorry guys for not filming, cause I am busy. I have school. Your boy Vin got school. There. I'm getting strong. There's people. Oh no. Bro, I got tagged by Draka. Draka, who the hell is that? What the hell? Is that even a name, Draka? Draka. Oh no, bam, he got killed. This girl got killed too. Will spare no one. Here. You need this. Place this here. And you're all good. Just place sentry everywhere. And ring ballast on. And ring ammo is on them. I mean paint because it's not ammo, it's paint actually. There's enemy there. Enemy here. There. There. Oh no. I see it. There. Bomb. We need to collect 100,000. How many money do we have? Here, hit there. There. We're just auto farming, guys. It's too easy. Oh no. I let my guard down. I got a little bit too cocky. Cocky means overconfident. Another. The hell? There. We're gonna rain almost on them because it's infinite. Why did I say we need 100k but we have 200k? 300k. That's the only thing we need. Now I'm gonna rain it on them. There. There. Oh, there. We need this. There, kaboom. We're gonna farm here. Oh, someone killed me. The hell? Ah, why is everybody killing, bro? Just stop killing me. That's bullying. Everyone's gonna say I'm overreacting. And my friend, I'm a little bacon joined me. If someone tell what is the opposite of skinny, don't say anything like fat because I got bad because I said fat. Bro, what the hell? Bro can launch a nuke already. Now I need 50 more to launch a nuke. There I got killed. Wait, I'm so dumb IQ 21. And they call me King now. Now I am unstoppable. Ah, someone took my drone out. I killed them one by one. I will not let that happen again. You cannot, you cannot kill my drone! Wah! Feel the wrath of my power. Boom chicka boom. Oh nah. And there, bye bye doom. And I'm doomed too. But they all die. Mm. Oh, they kill me one by one. And there it is. Drakta, I-10, and Reaper. I-10 has a case drop. You, bro using silent pistol. Free for all, free for all, free for all. I don't want to play team deathmatch. I want to play team. I want to play this. Free for all, free for all, free for all. We are free. And no, we're gonna do free for all, free for all. Drakta first kill. Why is Drakta always in the lead? I'm killing everybody.
Baka naka-drain, pindutin mo. Normal.
There, I'm killing everybody now. Bro, can every one of you please subscribe? I need many subscribers to get creator. So I could upload my old vids that I can't upload. You wanna taunt from me? I am Ven, no one can out from me. Oh, nah, bro. Took me so hard to get there. There. Oh, I got tagged by the silent gun. Why does everybody tag me with silent gun? What the? Nah, I need a virus sniper. I have a virus, so I need this. Plus this, and you're gonna be so overpowered. You can locate everybody. Yeah, get killed. Everyone last of them will get killed. Oh, no. Oh, go say, just saying. If you wait, I'm gonna show you something. This is where I'm recording OBS. Download OBS if you want a good recording, just like me. Oh, what the hell? Why this? Everybody just, nah, I'm gonna use the tech again. What the hell? Nah, no one will tag me here. Ah, what the hell? Bro already has 61 kills. Bro, what is bro doing anyway? I'm just here spawn killing everybody. Ah, dropped. Ta, bro, I hate nah. Oh, I couldn't get close of his awesome defense. That's it. I'm gonna go my serious mode. If I die here, I will quit this. Yeah, okay, guys. This is the last vid. Bye bye, guys. And sorry. Oh, yeah, I'm perfect timing. Bye. And I don't want to see the note. Bye.